Greetings from all corners of planet Earth, UVKG Africa. The show is Direction 411 la sikhuluma khona indaba enkulu yama life skills. Bafethu, ngizocela ukuqala ngokuthi ngixolise ukuthi the second episode ithatha isikhathi eside kangaka ukuthi iphinde isaface. The last time sasikhuluma nge-introduction to life skills ukuthi ayini ama life skills. Ngizokwenza nje recap very quick ukuthi kunomuntu owenza iplumbing, umuntu owenza iplumbing une skill sokumeja indawo azoyisebenza, ukumeja usize wamapayipi, indlela ekumele ahambe ngayo so that amanzi ezokwazi ukuflowa into the building, amanzi ayi waste ezokwazi ukuflowa out of the building. Then mase kuba nama plumbing service providers amaningi ahlukahlukene ngokwe level. All that boils down to iskill. So nempilo njengoba siyiphila iyasidinga iskill, because you find ukuthi khona abantu abaphila impilo ekwilevel ethile for i-amount yesikhathi esithile. Kube khona abantu othola ukuthi baphila impilo kwilevel ethile isikhashana, umbone sekwenye level isikhashana again umbone sekwenye level. It's because of iskill ne approach towards impilo. So kuningi ke sakukhuluma kuleya episode okuzomela ukwenze nje ukuthi ubuyele back and check ukuthi ke sakhuluma sathini when it comes to introduction to life skills. Today, before we go any further with more topics, so ngene endabeni enkulu ye vision, i purpose, i goal setting and action planning. I vision, i purpose, i goal setting and action planning. When it comes to i vision, ngizokwenza nje example ngengane yesikole. Ingane yesikole uJanuary ifunda noma yipi grade ongayicabanga. Let's say yenza ama subjects awu 6. Ifisa ukuthola OA abawu 4 no B abawu 2 kuleyo subject eyenzayo. So I vision leyo, labo A abawu 4 no B abawu 2, that is a vision. And when it comes to goal setting, there are different sets of goals, or there are different groups of goals. The first goals are short-term goals, alandelwa ama medium-term goals, ebese kugcina ama long-term goals. Ama short-term goals ke mangabe sokwenza example ngalengane efisa ukuthola OA no B come i-final exam. Ama short-term goals ilawa ekumele siwa achieve within a week up to 3 months if the whole vision is to be done esikhathini esingangani, esikhathini esingangonyaka. So masikhuluma ngama short term goals ke kuleyo A no B ngoDecember, into azoqala ukuyenza uzobheka i-study schedule sakhe ukuthi before engakakwazi ukuthi athole labo A no B bakhe ubetadisha kanjani, ubetadisha yini, noma ubefunda eklasini aqhamuke sebhala, right? So uzobe seplana ukuthi okay, into azoyenza manje uzospenda 2 hours e-library, or uzospenda 2 hours ebhekene nencwadi. If there are distractions ekhaya uzodecide ukuthi kumele adadishele e-library aspende u2 hours, right? Following that uzobe senza ischedule, uzobheka ama subjects aperforma kangcono kuona, awa prioritize less maybe, abheke ama subjects astrugglishayo kuona okuyiwona azowa prioritize kakhulu, right? Uzophinda abheke futhi ukuthi njengoba ezosebenzisana ne-library likhona yini ikhadi lakhona. Sikhuluma ngama short term goals. Uma lingekho uzoli-applyela alithole so that ezokwazi ukuthi abuye aboleke incwadi ahamba ayokwenza i-research for an extra hour or 2 ekhaya, noma akwazi futhi ukuthi afunde nabangani bakhe. That is starting a study group. Leyo study group ingakwazi ukuthi futhi iphinde isebenzele khona e-library, right? Sidlule kuma short term goals siye kuma medium term goals. Medium term goals ila ezobe seplana khona ke ukuthi wenza kanjani ke manje to check iperformance yakhe kuma test abhalwayo. If ama test ethe ukuba buqamama ngesikhathi, mhlambe let's say njengoba eplana lento uyiplana at the beginning of the second term, akhona ama test azowabhala laphana ko May uma ngabe sekuzovalela uterm 2. So into azoyenza yena ukuze kuthi kufika lama test ebese ready, let's make an example of umuntu ka grade 10. If lo muntu ka grade 10 into azoyenza ke manje uzobe sekwazi ukuthi enze njani na athathe ama test aka grade 10 of the previous year, noma mangabe ufuna ukuyistretcha athathe ama test aka grade 11. Uzobe sekhuluma nothisha waleyo subject athole kuyena lawo ma test lawo ebese yakwazi ukuthi enje njani ahambe ayobhala. It's either uzobhala privately noma uzothola yena uthisha mhlambe for 1 hour bahlale phansi bese yakwazi ukuthi abhale, so that uthisha phela ezom-invigilate ukuthi ngalesikhathi ebhala akasebenzisi yini i-open book method, uyabona. So uzobe seyibhala ke le test bese inikeza uthisha ahamba uthisha ayommakela. Ebese uthisha sebuya nama results, yila esekwazi khona ke ukuplana i-study session yakhe ukuthi okay kumele ngiimprove la okumele ngifunde lokhu. Uma kade sebenzisa i-previous test of the same grade ayenzayo, then uyazi lapho ukuthi okay ikuphi la kufanele a-improve khona. If kade ebhala i-previous test paper of i-grade asazofika kuyona, ila esuke seyitesta khona ukuthi okay uma sefika ka grade 11 uzoperforma kanjani nokuthi uzofika ese-ready kangakanani. Ngeke kusenzeka lento abathi inkonyana ithuka isisinga. Medium term goals, uzothi qambe ibhala i-mid term test sesiyovalela uterm 2, then useyazi lapho ukuthi siyophasa noma kanjani. If eqhubeka naleyo habit, then useyazi ukuthi uzohleze waphasa ama test, vele une study group, une card la se library, ba researcher nayo le group, ba discussa nayo ama subjects, and kuleya group mind you kunama subjects enze njani a good kuona, kunama subjects enze njani a average kuona, bese kuba nama subjects aphuwa kuona. Leyo nto izosiza ekutheni kulama subjects aphuwa kube ukuthi kwi study group ukhona umuntu one strength kulawo ma subjects, so that lento izokwazi ukuthi ibalance. Futhi study group ayisizi yena kuphela kodwa isiza noza kwabo laba afunda nabo. Sakhuluma nge goal setting because bese siyibekile vision ukuthi i-vision it's what it's a picture or it's a clear picture in your mind about the future. So if future sikhuluma ngayo uDecember walowo nyaka umuntu asuke enza ngawo leyo grade, because yena usuke sakuJanuary or February or March towards the end of i-first term esikoleni. Ebese kuba nama long term goals. Ama long term goals yila esene understanding ikhona ukuthi lo A nalo B uzo achieve, ukubuka i-progress yalama test ukuthi ngoMarch ngibhalile ngathola imaki elithile i-percentage, therefore fanele ngilwele uku-improve leyo percentage manje. And mangabe bheka incwadi zakhe uyakwazi ukucheck ukuthi okay lama chapter esizowafunda mina sengikuona already, so that I will be able to ask questions eclassini, because ayikho into ebhlungu njengokuthi umuntu mangabe efunde eclassini mangabe sebuza uthisha ukuthi sizwile sonke eclass bese sonke sithi sizwile, uthi mangabe ususekhaya bese uyarealize ukuthi hey angikhumbuli kahle ukuthi uthisha bethini la, yabo. There is no chance manje ukuthi siphinde siyibuze le question, yabo. Kanti mangabe uzomhambela phambili uthisha uyibuka ichapter ezokwenziwa, you'll be able to note questions down wena la unga understand khona engekho uthisha, of which it might happen futhi uthola ukuthi uthisha uzoyikhava leyo nto mangabe sekufundwa eclassini, yabo. So yila ukwazi khona uku-achieve ama long term goals zakho ukuthi okay ngizoba achieve labo A abawu4 no B abawu2 o B abawu2, because ngenze njani ngiya improve kuma test ami mangibhala noma ngiyitesta mina bese ngimakela uthisha waleyo subject. Purpose. Masikhuluma ngepurpose, let's come back to life now. let's draw back from education ne-example yalomfundi lo ufuna uku-achieve ivision yo A about 4 no B about 2 kuma subjects ngoDecember kwi-final exam. Imoto is a machine that is used to transport people and goods. So le moto lena ipurpose yayo ukutransporta lama human beings and goods. And i-achieve kanjani i-purpose le moto? Mangihamba ngeinyawo ngisuka eClermont ngiya ePinetown, I take round about 45 minutes to 1 hour. But if I take a car from Claremont to Pinetown, I take 10 to 15 minutes. Depends on the traffic, depends on any other situation. So imoto saves time. Mangabe imoto isave isikhathi kusho ukuthi ifuel lefakwa emotweni noma i-taxi fare if you are using a taxi yila usuku usithenga khona isikhathi. That's where the saying ethi time is money comes from, because if you want to do something quicker, you must buy that time. And mangabe usiyeka isikhathi slip by, you lose money. Ngicabanga ukuthi siyayithola in terms of production emsebenzini. If we have 30 employees kwi company benze production, if i-production ihamba kancane, it might happen that we need more machines and 10 more employees. Mangabe sekhona lama employees awu 10 more, then sesiyasave isikhathi, sekuyakwazi ukuthi i-production a certain amount ikhiqizeke ngesikhathi esithile lapho sithenge ini isikhathi. So yonke into ekhona ke ngaphansi komthunzi welanga ine purpose yayo. Ayikho into useless emhlabeni. Same applies with human beings. Lento yama life skills izohamba hambe isisize sifike kuma topics webhayise sikhuluma ngawe uqobo ukuthi how do you determine or how do you discover your purpose as a person, because akekho umuntu ophilela ukudla bese eyadlula emhlabeni, kodwa wonke umuntu ufanele afike enze into le ekufanele ngabe uyayenza to help himself and other people. So masikhuluma ngepurpose in very short siyo elaborate ngayo ngelinye ilanga, right? Then ke ebese sibuyela back kulento ye-vision. I-vision iyaye ihambisane nani ne-mission ne-action plan. Ngalesikhathi umfundi enza i-goal ama-goals akhe, kahlehle uqala nge-action plan, because before our implement lama goals kufanele kube ne-action plan. Ikhadi lase library anginalo, ngiya nini e-library to apply for the library card. When do I speak with all classmates bami ngibachazela ukuthi bafethu ngicela ukuthi senze le study group noma le study club, so that sizokwazi ukuthi si-achieve i-success ezifundweni zethu, sizokwazi ukuthi sithole i-pass rate ezokwazi ukuthi isingenise e-university. Sixhumana nini lo muntu lo one-vision, uxhumana nini nothisha bakhe balama subjects afuna ukwa improve ukuthi acele ama past test papers or even past exam papers. Mangabe seku September uma wenza ugrade 10 usungalibhala iphepha le final exam yaka grade 10 eli previous, so that uzokwazi ukuthi upractice umakelwe and also focus on ama weaknesses akho as ufunda, eze sekumakelela uthisha usubona ukuthi yikuphi la kufanele uimprove khona. I-action plan ke isuke ibhalwe phansi. Into esiyenzayo ke kwi-action plan kufanele sibe no what, right? Under what ila sobhala khona i-library card nezinye izinto. Ebese siba no how. how do we go about applying for the library card? Ukuhlela ukuthi ngiyanini library, ukuhlela ukuthi i-copy ye-birth certificate yami i-ready yini, nawo wonke ama-document adingakalayo, ama-references. When you apply for a library card, you need people close to you, but abangahlali nawe ekhaya, because you need different addresses to put on the library application form. Kwi-action plan kufanele kube khona who, because mawuplana usuke uzo-involve abanye abantu, right? You will need i-library assistant, librarian or whoever, i-staff sase-library ozobe ku-assist. Fanele uhambe uyothatha i-information kuyena, fanele uhambe uyothatha i-application form kuyena, right? Uyena ozobe kusiza mase wenza lama copies alezinto ezodingakala. That is who. Uthisha uyangena lapho ozobe uthatha kuyena information yokuthi ama subjects lawa ama test uzowathola nini kuyena, uzosithola yini isikhathi sokukumakela. Obviously uzosithola because nayo uyafuna ukubona improve kwi subject yakhe. When now when lento siyenza nini, mangabe siyenza lento sifuna ukuyi-achieve nini objective yokuyenza. So zonke lezi zinto lezi yizona zinto ezikwazi ukuthi zisize sikwazi ukudevelopa ini i-action plan yethu. So i-vision is whatever you picture in your mind ukuthi ufisa ukuyi-achieve. Then lastly, when it comes to mission, i-mission yinto osuke uyenza ngaleso sikhathi. When it comes to organizations, ama-organization ane-vision yokuthi yini afisa ukuyi-achieve, ebese kuba ne-mission ukuthi senzani as an organization. We train primary and high school learners in life skills so that they will understand themselves and their lives better. I-mission leyo izinto esizenzayo ngalezo sikhathi. Zonke lezi zinto esizenzayo izona eziwumkhombandlela ukuthi sifuna ukuya kuphi kwi-vision yethu, la sithi khona we foresee or we picture, noma sivele sibhala ukuthi a society where kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi i-vision leyo. Namhlanje kade sikhuluma ngayo i-vision, sikhuluma nge-purpose ne-goal setting, kwase kuzongena i-action plan ne-mission. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions for future topics, feel free to comment lapho so that we'll be able to do whatever you require as ama subscribers ethu kwi-Tech2 TV, u-VKG Africa, uhlelo i-Direction 411. Don't forget to follow my personal social media platforms, uVusi Khambule Gifted on Facebook. My page is VKG Africa on Facebook, u-X, u-TikTok, bese kuzoba iwona futhi u-YouTube. Ngitholakala kakhulu khona la kwi-Tech2 TV. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu, ngithembe futhi ukuthi niyangixolela ngokuthi uhlelo lithatha isikhathi eside kangaka ukuthi iphume i-episode. Sengizowadedela njalo kama-episode provided that you comment ukuthi imapha ama-topic enfisa ukuthi sikhulume ngawo in future. Danko.